Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're in the state of South Dakota, traveling north on Interstate 29 in Union County, beginning at mile marker 10. We're driving up the eastern edge of South Dakota, with Iowa just a short distance to our east, and later Minnesota will be to the east. This stretch of highway sees very low traffic volume for an interstate highway, seeing as few as 5,000 vehicles per day in some places. Of the 4 states through which I-29 passes, South Dakota has the most mileage at 252.5 miles. At exit 15 is I-29's lone business loop that serves the city of Elk Point. Elk Point is just to the east of I-29 without any part of I-29 actually entering the city limits. Elk Point is the county seat of Union County with an estimated population of 1,871 as of 2019. The British established a Hudson Bay Company trading post in 1755 near present-day Elk Point. Elk Point was so named on account of the abundant elk in the area. The town was incorporated in 1873. Exit 18 is the northern terminus of the Elk Point I-29 business loop. Burbank, an unincorporated community to the northwest, also appears on the exit sign. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. Exit 26 is signed Vermillion and Yankton, both cities to the west of I-29. Vermillion sits atop a bluff on the Missouri River and is the home of the University of South Dakota. Yankton, commonly referred to as the River City, is located on the east bank of the Missouri River and served as the Dakota territorial capital from 1861 to 1883. Exit 31 leads to the unincorporated community of Spink to the east, and further to the east, Akron, Iowa, a city on the east bank of the Big Sioux River. We conclude today's video here at mile marker 37. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.